One of the most important practices of data management is the control of data invariants. A data invariant is a property that holds true for the duration of the process that is being captured in data. For example, a person's age is a positive number. A date may be represented in a system according to a well-defined specification. The pH cannot be higher than 14. Data invariants are usually divided in three main categories. Schema invariants that describe column names, data types, and nullability of the column. Value invariants that describe the set of valid values that the column can contain, and constraint invariants that describe how values across columns and/or datasets are related to each other. Invariants distinguish random data from valuable data. A dataset without invariants is noise and cannot generate any value. This makes data management very important for any organization and will continue to become increasingly so as AI takes a bigger role in the business value chain. We at Moonin Data strongly recommend that organizations approach data management as the discipline that identifies, categorizes, and enforces data invariant. This endeavor is challenging because it requires both the specific knowledge of the domain from which the data comes from and strong data engineering knowledge to systematize and enforce the invariants. Strategically, the goal is then to balance the trade-off between the cost of controlling the invariants and their business value. Should the data uphold 50% of all potential invariants? 80%? 99%? This trade-off is difficult to evaluate because we can only know the value of our data invariants once they are used to deliver value in the first place. But we can only deliver value if the data has necessary invariants. The solution to this paradox is experience and innovation. Experience because subject matter experts often know which invariants should be prioritized from the business' current and near-term goals. Innovation because much of the value necessary for long-term goals is unknown. In this context, we recommend that organizations provide business units the space and the time to explore potential invariants that they should prioritize, either through the Center of Excellence or direct funding. The aim is that business units have data products shared across the organization with sufficient invariants that the organization can then benefit from without having to rediscover them by themselves.